you've recently encountered security checks on your Epic Games account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Verify your email address. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect your account may have been compromised, go to the Epic Games login page and click on Forgot Your Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, navigate to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it less likely to be compromised in the future. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Epic Games support immediately. This will help protect your account and prevent future issues. Step 5. Contact Epic Games support. If you're still having trouble accessing your account after completing the previous steps, reach out to Epic Games support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account and the issues you are facing. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Epic Games account and enhance its security. Always remember to keep your account information secure and monitor for any unusual activity.